Hey guys, what's up? All right, it's Double Deuce back. So today, I'm unloading the spray booth. I got everything painted on my Z28. I did it in a single stage black. All the front flares, the front fender extensions, both fenders, the hood's outside. But you see the way I did the body, was just like they did at the factory. I painted the interior color first, like I said in my last video, masked it off, and then just hammered the body with like 3 heavy coats of nice black single stage. Actually, it come out pretty good. Has that factory looking feel to it, which I wanted. I didn't want no super wet sanded and buff look on the thing. So today's job is going to be pushing this turd out of here, sorting through all the parts, and covering it up with plastic. So, like I say, I'm tired. It's been a long day. So, you guys have a good one. Any questions, comments, hit me up. No problems there. Subscribe if you want, share, tell your friends. But it's a labor of love. And see inside there's no paint lines. There's no masking lines in here nowhere. Everything was painted all at once. There's no tape lines anywhere. So, which is cool. That's the way it should be. So, anywho, I'm rolling now, so I'll catch up with you later, man. Adios.